Is your dream hotel turning into a nightmare of glitches? Let's troubleshoot common My Perfect Hotel problems and get you back to building your empire. First, the classic freeze if your game is stuck loading or freezes mid-play. Try force closing and reopening the app on most phones. You can swipe up from the bottom and then swipe the game away, or find the Manage Apps section of your phone and select Force Stop. This often clears temporary hiccups. Still stuck? Check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal can cause major problems. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection, or switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Outdated game versions are notorious for bugs. Head to your app store and check for any available updates. For My Perfect Hotel, developers are constantly patching these up. If updating doesn't work, try clearing the game's cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing conflicts. You can find this option in your phone's app settings under My Perfect Hotel. Just be careful not to accidentally clear your data, as this could reset your progress. After clearing the cache, restart the game to implement these changes. Hopefully, you'll be back to serving customers in no time.